An anọ m na onye abịa anọ m na klaasị nke asaa um, n'alụ.
Daalụ rinne, kọọlụ nye aka. How do you say where you're from? Obinna, how do you say where you're from?
Abụ m onye.
Very good. Okay, I thought I heard anọ m na onye. All right. Abụ m onye. Good. Daalụ rinne, Obinna. Dara.
Next is Dabby, number
Okay.
10.
Ndewonu. Aha m bụ Dabby. Adị m afọ 10. Ebi m na United States of America. Abụ m onye Louisville. Adị m na klaasị nke isii. Ihe mmasị m bụ ịbụ abụ na ịgụ akwụkwọ.
Daalụ. Kọọlụ nye aka.
Daalụ.
Ka isi ekwu I'm in class 8, for instance. How do you say that?
Anọ m na klaasị nke asatọ.
Okay. Not Adim na class. I heard Adim na class. Anọ m na class. Okay. Dara. Next.
Next is Chidom to 11.
Chim di ụtọ. Take it one after the other. Take the words. Chim di ụtọ. Okay. Ngwa.
Ndewo. Aha m bụ Chimdiụtọ. Adị m afọ 9. Abụ m onye Mgbakwu. Ebi m dị na England. Ihe na-amasị m bụ dee ihe.
Daalụ. Chim di ụtọ. Ihe na-amasị gị bụ ide ihe. Daalụ. Ọ dị mma, kọọlụ nye aka. Awesome. Good. All right. Okay. Is that all? Dara.
I haven't gone yet.
Oh.
Okay.
Ndewo, aha m bụ Beluchi. Adị m afọ 11. Ebi m na Dayton, Ohio. Abụ m onye Anambra steeti. Anọ m na klaasị nke isii. Ihe na-amasị m ime bụ ikiri igwe onyonyo. Daalụ.
Daalụ rinne, Beluchi. Nnọọ. Ọ dị mma. So, anyị abịago n'izu ụka nke taa. Ihe anyị ga-eme taa bụ ime mkpụrụ edemede. Mkpụrụ edemede a ga-egosi anyị otu o si ada, otu esi eme okwu dị iche iche. That means alphabets, and learning how they sound, and learning how words are made from them. And with that, we're able to spell words and be able to say them correctly. Okay? So let's look at our where we stopped at yesterday. we tried to do a couple of things. One of them was, beyond just Nkowonwe, we are trying to understand how we can say certain things in Igbo, okay? So let me share my screen. If you can see my screen, when you see my screen, you let me know. Can you all see my screen?
No. No.
I am full my screen.
Yes.
Odema. Thank you. All right. So when you open this text, how many of us have this text? Open to page 6. Afterwards,
I don't have the text. Wait, I'll go get the book.
Huh? Kedu ndị enwetebere? Kedu ndị nwetara?
I have the book, but I didn't get it.
Okay.
I don't have the book at all.
I have the book.
Okay, we're going to have to read from the screen, but afterwards you need to have the book because we're going to have a spelling bee competition, and a spelling bee will be based on how much Igbo. This is a fun way of learning alphabets. That's why I'm bringing it in, because since it's a new language to us, so the way to get along with it is to actually bring it to a point where you can love to do it, right? So spelling a word helps you to know the alphabets, or helps you to know the language better. Okay.
Okay.
So
I'm just wondering, is the spelling bee like mandatory, as in like you must join the spelling bee?
oh no,
Or is it optional?
if you don't, it's optional. If you want, if you don't want, it's fine. It's just for the fun. It's not like anybody is going to hold you for anything. It's just to help your learning process, okay? So we're going to start with the alphabet now. A, A, aka, aka, aka. Okay? So I'm going to be calling you according to your numbers. I want you to try to sound these words. I've tried to give you examples too, to give you an idea. B, ball. B, ball. Okay, so you're going to unmute your mic because I want us to actually learn this and hear how it sounds. Okay. I think I'm doing. Can you still see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So B, ball. I want to hear you say it back to me. B.
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 Okay.
Ball.
Okay. Who can sound this?
Che.
Che.
Oche.
Oche. Oche.
Che. che. Good. Number 1.
De.
I'm calling number 1 to sound this. Who is
De.
Okay. Okay. De, give us an example with de. Either the one on the screen or you find your own. Any word that has it, not necessarily starting it.
Dabelo.
Dabelo. Amazing. Okay. Next. 2. Onye bụ onye nke abụọ? Who is number 2?
Chinaza.
Chinas, are you here?
Yeah.
Okay. Sound it and give me.
Efe.
Okay. Efere. Please sound it confidently. Efere. Good. Next.
It's Chikere.
I just took pictures.
I want you to attempt how this sounds. The letter that you're seeing. We are doing Igbo alphabets. I want you to attempt how it sounds. Just try. It sounds similar to what you know. Try. Chike, are you there?
Yes.
Ngwa, try and try.
Photo.
Photo, good. How does the sounding of the letter? How do you sound the letter?
Fe.
Fe, exactly. Fe, very good. Fe, photo. Fe, photo. Good. Amazing. I love that. Okay. Next.
Gi. It's me, right?
Huh?
Gi.
Ge, good. As in ge, ge,
Okay.
ge, ge,
Gi.
ge, ge. Good. Next. You can use your worksheet at this time and be filling in your worksheet. That will actually help you to fill that worksheet. How many of us have printed the worksheet? How many of us have the copies of the worksheet?
Me.
Okay. Go to your worksheet and start filling up your worksheet because that's what you are supposed to have submitted to as your assignment. Your worksheet should have been printed. So who is supposed to read? Who's supposed to sound this?
Me.
Go ahead, please.
We.
We. Say it. We. Okay, next. Dara, who is the next person?
The next person is Obina.
Ziga, ga.
He. Obida, why is your video off? Hmm? Why did you put it off?
It's on now.
Okay, please don't put it off again, okay? He.
He,
Good. Ha.
ha,
Ha. Ha.
ha,
Ha.
ha.
Have you heard of Ohere? Ohere.
Maybe, I don't know.
Okay. Ohere is still the same with he Ohere. He,
Oh.
ha. Okay. Okay. Kedu onye ọzọ? Kedu onye ọzọ? Next. Next.
Next is number 11.
Table number 11.
Chimdotu.
Okay.
We.
We. Good. Kedu example debe? We.
Ogwu.
Ogwu. Okay.
Na achọrọ m igi example m ma.
Okay.
Ugwu.
Ugwu. Okay. Ugwu. That's like a hill. Ugwu. Ọ dị mma. Next.
I don't know. Who's next?
Okay. Is it Bell?
I think so, but I don't know what number I am because when I joined, everyone had their numbers and I couldn't see it because I just joined. Okay.
Okay. What's the sound?
K.
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 Okay. K.
K.
All right. Next. Okay, I think we are reiterating. So we go from down to up. All right, Belu Chingwa.
I think next is Dabby.
Okay. Dabi.
Be. Apa.
Akpa. Good. Be akpa. Be akpa. Amazing. Okay. Okay, we're going to move from down now to up. Uh-huh. So Dabi, move from you.
Kwe.
Okay.
Akwa.
We aqua. Very good. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Belle, I think you're the one. So we're going from down to up. So please remember your number.
Lee.
Sound the word, sound the
Le.
letter, and give me the example. Good. Le, le. Okay, Belle, do you have any secondary example? Anything that has le that you know?
Like just the word,
Any word that has le at all that you know?
Okay. Ili. Ulo.
Ulo, very good. Ulo, ulo, amazing. All right, okay. Next. Who was before Bell?
It might be me.
Okay, Duto.
Me. Mama. Oh.
Mama.
Me, Mama. Okay, very good. Any secondary example?
Mmanya.
Amazing. Mmanya. Good. Daalụ rinne. All right. Kedu onye na-esi ya?
I think me.
Okay.
Ne.
Good. Ne. Ne. Very good. This is very, very straightforward. Okay. What else? Can you give us a secondary example? Maybe the opposite of nne can be an example.
Na.
Amazing. Nna. Ne. Nne. Ne. Nna. I love that. Well done. Good job. All right. So we're here now. A tricky one. Who is next? Who is next? Who is before Obinna? Obinna, what was your number?
7.
Okay, so who is 6? Who is
It
6?
was 5.
Huh?
Check with Siri.
Chikwesiri. Okay, Chikwesiri.
No.
Uh-uh.
5.
You're 5?
Yeah.
There was
Enwe onye ọzọ na-eso Obinna? Okay, Chikwesiri, just go ahead. Try. I know this is a bit tricky, but just try. Let's see.
No.
Nge. This ne is from the nose. Nge, nge. As if you are trying to breathe out from your nose. Nge, nge. Okay, Kedi, what do you think what do you think the word sounds like? Give me an example. Aṅụrị, nge, aṅụrị, aṅụrị, aṅụrị. Dara, I want you to try this word. Nge. Say it. Nge.
ne.
Nge. As if you are trying to bring it out from your nose. Nge.
Ne.
Obinna, try it. Nge.
Ne.
It's not ne. There's no your tongue shouldn't touch your palate. Nge, as if the sound you are trying to bring it out from your nose. Nge. Nge.
Ne.
Nge.
Ne.
Good. Nge aṅụrị. Nge, nge, nge aṅụrị. Nge. Okay. I want Chikere, try it. Nge. Nge.
Ne.
Good. Nge. Again.
Ne.
Not nye. There's no, I don't want your tongue should be touching your upper part. It should be open. Nge. Nge.
Ne.
Nge.
Ne.
Amazing. Nge. Very good. All right. So, who do we have next?
I'm next.
Okay, go ahead.
Nwe.
Uh-huh.
Anue. Anue. Anue.
Eh?
Ane.
Uh-huh. Anwụ, nwe, anwụ. Say it.
Anwụ.
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 Good. Anwụ.
Anwụ.
All right. Next. Next. Who is the next person?
Chikere.
Chikere, let's try.
Ne.
Yes, awesome, awesome. Nye, good. Try the example.
Onye ine.
Onyinye. Have you heard somebody being called Onyinye? Have you heard that?
No.
Good. Okay. Onyinye. Nye. Say it again.
Onyinye.
Good. Nye.
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 Very good. Nye. All right. Who goes next? Who's number 2?
Chinaza.
O, O,
Okpu. Say it again.
Opu,
Okpu. Okpu.
Opu,
Good. All right. Who is helping us with the next one?
Number 1.
Or oh
Ọgwụ. Good. Ọgwụ. Ọgwụ. All right. Okay. Who goes next? We'll start again. Back. Number 1. Or let's continue.
P O O P
OP.
O
OP.
P O P
OP.
O P.
No, we're going from up down. Okay, can continue. POP. Okay. Bello has
OP.
done this.
Piña.
Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, start with number 1.
re ora
Re, ora. Chikere, let me hear you say that.
Re. Ora.
Very good. Chikwesiri, let me hear you say that.
Ora.
Okay. Very good. Re, ora. All right. Next, number 2.
Ose,
Se, ose. Very good. Number 3. Or is it number 4? Number 3.
Number 3.
Who's number 3? Chikere. Chikere, oh yeah. Let's try. You've done it before. All right.
She.
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 Uh-huh. She. A sha.
Sha.
Sha. A sha. Crayfish.
Isha. Esha.
Good. She. A sha. Crayfish. Have you eaten crayfish before? Do you know crayfish before?
Yeah.
Very good. Crayfish. Esha is called Esha. And the she in the word there is this alphabet, this letter. She. All right. Okay. Next, number 4.
T, te, ite,
T. Good. T, ite.
T,
T, ite. Amazing. Okay. Who is next?
U, ute.
U,
U, ute.
ute, like a mat. Ute. Thank you very much.
Ute.
Ute. Uh-huh. Next. This U with dot. U with akara, ntopo. Who is next?
Obina,
Obina, where are you at? Obina. Is Obina not here? Okay, who is next after Obina?
Dabi,
Okay.
Is it me?
Obina, are you sure
I'm right here. I'm right here.
Are you sure you are in this class, Obina? Are you sure you're in this class, Obina? What's going on? Okay, tell us what's on the screen.
Ulo.
Olo. Very good. Give me another word that has O in it.
Uziza.
Amazing. Oziza. Come on now. See you, Obina. Very good. Oziza. Amazing. Okay, next.
Dabi,
Is Dabi there? Okay, next.
U,
Yeah, are you there?
yeah.
It's a bit tricky, but it's
U,
actually V,
O,
V,
okay?
M-
Vo,
Mvo,
Mvo.
Mvo,
There's some dialects that
Mvo.
call it, so there's some dialects that call it Mbo, which means like nail bed. There are some dialects that call it Mvo. So instead of the B, they replace it with V. Mvo. Okay? Which means nail. All right. And we're in the last 3 now. Who is next? Is it Dioto?
it's Bell,
Bell. All right.
We, ewu,
Ewu. Very good.
e, walu, walu,
Wello. I love that. Wello. That's how to grow your vocabulary. Okay. Next. This is second to the last alphabet. Next.
Yi. Oyi.
Yi, oyi. Very good. Yi, oyi. Amazing. Okay. And the very last one.
Iyiri.
Iyeri. No, we're now in the last sentence. Who is the last person?
It goes back to her.
Has everybody,
Everybody has gone.
Okay, who is going to try this? Let me see those out. So, who is willing to try this? I can see Obina's hand. Who else is willing to try? Who else is willing to try? I'm going to call Chikwesiri. I'm going to call Chikwesiri. Chikwesiri, try.
Z-A-Z.
Amazing. Z-A-Z. Now, all the people that raised their hand, how many of you have another example that has Z in it? Z, Z, Z. Who can give you an example that has Z in it?
Oziza does not have Z in it.
I said raise your hands. You're not supposed to talk, but you're correct. Oziza, yes. Who else? Bell.
Ana m azacha ụlọ.
Ana m azacha ụlọ. Zacha. Good. Dara, let's hear you.
Ozioma.
Wow, Ozioma. Come on now, see my people. Duto, let's hear you.
Aziza.
Aziza, Aziza. Good. One more person before we move on. One more person before we move on. Should I call? Let me call my chairman. Chikere. Chikere, try something that has Z in it. Any Igbo word that you know that has Z in it. You don't know? Give me an English word that starts with, that has, not starting, it's just something that has Z in it. Give me an English word that has Z in it. Oh, yeah.
Crazy.
Huh? Crazy. Crazy. Okay. Who else? Who can translate crazy for us? Let's see if it has Igbo word. Who has Z in it? Who has Z? Chikere said crazy. Michael is here. Michael, can you turn on your video? Michael, welcome. Who has Z? Who knows? I want to translate. Chikere gave us a word to translate. Crazy. Come on, this is crazy. Now give us an Igbo word that has, who can translate what crazy is?
Okay, so I want to provide it, so I will.
Is it Chim? Okay, Chim Duto, do you want to translate crazy?
So if I'm looking
Want
at
to try?
Please try. I always love triers. Those that try, that are the winners. Try.
Our ball that slide.
Onye iwero sense.
Amazing. Onye na-enwero onye na-enwero sense. Onye na-enwero uche. Onye obele ala na-awe. Onye ara, maybe something cois in the head. Okay, that's great. Okay, so we're going to do something fun now. We are having a bank of words. I want us to start with the small children zone. Let me share my screen. So we're going to pair ourselves. Dara, please, can you pair 1 to the last, 2 to the second to the last? Let's have our team. We're going to end up with these words, and I want us to see how many of us can sound it correctly. Okay. I want to share my screen now. And if I share my screen, when you see my screen, let me know, please. Okay, Michael, you're having an issue. It's fine. Okay. Let's
See your
go.
screen, Ma.
Can you see my screen?
Can see your screen,
Yes.
Ma.
Okay. All right, team one. Dara, are you done with the teams? So in each team, I want the one person to ask the partner to spell a word. And the partner will spell the word. And when the partner is done, they will switch roles and they will ask each other. I'm going to give you an example. So the partner, assuming I'm team 0 right now, I'll say, you're going to call the person's name. I'll say Dara, super. So in Igbo, spelling means super, spell means super. So I'll say, Dara, super. I'll find a word under the complete words, the one that you say word on your left, or if you're on my side, and on your right on your side. So I can say, for instance, from the family, I can choose a word there. I'll say nna. Dara, super nna. Then Dara will say ni a nna. Are you seeing that? And if she got it correct, we clap and they switch roles. We're going to do this. Each team has just 30 seconds to get this done. Dara, are you done with all the teams? You are muted.
Some people don't have numbers, so I'm still trying to figure that.
Oh, I think, does everybody have number? If you don't have a number, raise your hand. Everybody has. Okay. So what I want you to do, I think we're about, is it 12 here? So 1 and 12, 2 and 11, 3 and 10, like that. Do you understand? Who is number 12? Who is number 11? Who is number 11? The author. Okay, so we're going to do 12 and 1, 10, 11 and 2, 10 and 3, 9 and 4, like that. Does that make sense? Okay. Are we ready? I think Michael doesn't have a number, but I'm not sure if Michael. Michael, are you able to do what we are doing? Otherwise, you can just listen. It's fine, okay? After you catch a replay, because you came in late, you may not. 13.
I can see it.
Eh?
I can see it.
Yeah. Can you try?
I don't think I have a number. Oh, wait, never mind. I do. It's good.
Adema, are we ready? Who are team 1 and 2? Team 1 and... Team 1 is 1 and 13, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Team 1. Who are those in team 1? Let me indicate. Team 1. Okay. Team 1, you're going to be ask each other question, and let's see.
What should we ask?
Go to the list, pick from the name, pick any what's it called? Any word there. And are you not seeing my screen? Are you seeing it?
Oh, I see your screen, yes.
Yeah. So pick any word from there and ask, say, fair. Okay, introduce yourself. Let's start with that. Afambo, Chimdioto. The other person will say Afambo, Beluchi, for instance. So Chimdioto can start and say, Belu, super, you pick a word. Then Belu will super. Belu finish. Belu will now ask Chimdioto. Chimdioto, super. All right, let's go. 30 seconds. And Dara, please put on a time. I don't want us to waste time because we're already past our time. All right, 30 seconds. Your time starts now. Let's go.
Chimdioto.
Ahambo Beluchi. Chimdioto. Super. Ndewo.
Ni di we are. Beluchi. Super one.
Can you repeat the word your voice cut off?
Because super one.
The timer just ended.
Oh, you guys have to be fast. Okay, let's give them 10 seconds extra. Oh, yeah, Bello, run.
Nwe a ni e. Nwanne.
Kọrụnụ ha aka. Kọrụnụ ha aka. Did you notice nwe is not nwe? Are you seeing this? Nwanne, nwe, ani, e. Okay. All right. Team 2. Team 2. Let's go. Who are those in team 2?
Team 2 and 12.
Team 2 is 2 and 12. Ongwa, your time starts. Who are those? Start introducing yourself.
George.
Okay. 12. 12. Dara, who is 12? Is it 12 that is supposed to be with Chinaza?
Yeah. 12 is Chikere.
Dabby.
Oh, Dabby.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Your time starts now. Chinaza, you can go ask. Introduce yourselves, then you ask. That's what we said.
Chinaza George. That is super nne. Nna.
Dabi, are you there?
Dabby.
You've been given Asigi Supenna. Did you hear that? Switch roles.
No.
Your time is going. Switch roles.
Ni, a, nna,
Switch roles.
Ndewon Ahambo Dabi. Coach Nani. Kedu how do you spell nne?
Why are you asking Coach Nani? Chinaza super nne.
Nne.
Kọrọ n'aka. Okay, team 3. Team 3.
Three and 11.
Right, if she doesn't do it, that's fine. We'll take what we have, put it and send it to her to say correct. Right? If we keep waiting for them, that I don't know.
Okay. Team 3, your time starts now.
That's what I'm gonna. That email I copied because I sent it to Daniel and somebody else. Maybe
Who is it? Who is with team 3?
It's me and 11. I don't know.
Who is 11, please?
So I'm gonna take that.
Chim Daughter.
Chim Daughter again. Chim Daughter has already done with Bell.
Oh, well, her number is 11. She put it in the chat.
So who is teaming up with her? So we can swap her role.
Okay, so then we can do 3 and 10.
10 is 10.
Then we'll just use that. If not, we create this.
Another 10.
Okay, can you correct this? Because if not, this is what we're gonna use. And nobody can tell
Dara, go ahead. Go with Chikere. Let's go. Introduce yourselves and let's run.
So, are we doing the family?
Anyone you like is fine. Introduce yourselves and start. Your time starts now.
Okay.
Okay. Ndewo. Aha mbụ Chikere. Adị m afọ itoolu.
No, you don't need to go through. Just your name is fine. Then
aha mbụ Chikere.
Aha mbụ Darasimi.
Go ahead and super.
Super.
excessively.
You can pick any word, Chikere.
But he always has
Super. Nah.
He's very strong in the content. So I saw a look from him today, and I don't think I'll look at the question. I don't think advocating for finance good. We're not advocating to these people, we're advocating that we can't do.
What's the problem? Are you not seeing the screen or you're finding it difficult to say the word? Which of them?
I can't see the screen.
You can't? Really? You all can't see the screen?
I can see the screen.
I can see the screen. I can see the screen.
Chikara, are you sure you're in the right page?
I can see it now.
Okay, please speak a word there and let's run. Super. Dara, super. All right, go.
Super ada
Super noir.
super ne
When you tell somebody super, you're telling the person to spell that word. So the person should spell the word. Then you
okay.
swap roles and then you ask. That's what we are doing. So Chikere asked Dara. You can say Dara super. You said unwa. So Dara should spell unwa. Then Dara will now ask Chikere. Same. Find
Okay.
another word and ask. Okay.
NWA
Super.
super ada
How do you spell it? How do you spell it? Based on the
ADA.
based on the alphabet you learned, how do you spell it? Nwa. So
Noir.
that separation tells you that okay, this one is one, then the other one is one. How do you spell NWA?
Noir.
How do you spell it?
N
Nwe a nwa.
we
A nwa. I'll give bonus points to another group if you people don't meet up. All right, Dara, ask Chikere.
okay. Super na
NNA.
Okay, bonus point to the team. Which team wants to take it? Who is the first person that raised hand here? Okay, you can unmute yourself, the first person that has it.
So what do we do for the bonus
So I won't
points?
tell you. That means you won't get it. Who is the person that will answer? Who has the answer? Unmute your mic if you have the answer to the quiz, to the super. Didn't people hear Dara? Unmute your mic and go ahead and answer for the bonus point. Oh, nobody knows. Okay. Nna, ne, a. Nna. Not N-N-A. No, N-N-A is English. Igbo is ne, a. Nna. All right, let's clap for them for trying. All right. Okay. Team 4. Team 4. We won't waste time again. No. Team 4, are they ready?
I already went, so it's now team 5 and 9.
Team 5 and 9, let's go. Next. Your time starts now. Team 5.
Who's 9?
Introduce yourself. 9 will continue. Just introduce yourself.
Humble Chikwesiri George.
Who is working with him? Who else hasn't done? Obinna, let's hear you.
Ndewo. Ahambo Obinna.
Okay. Your time starts now.
Supe Nne. Ne, a.
Supe.
Call the person's name. That's why the person introduced themselves. Oh, yeah.
PK. Where is it? Supe. Ada. Ada.
I think we're losing you there. Say it again, Chikwasiri.
A-D-A. Ada.
Biko kọrọ nụ ha aka. Amazing, amazing. All right. Is there anybody that hasn't done? Anybody? I think everybody has gone round. All right. Thank you so much. It was a long stretch. Well, so I want you guys to get the spelling bee book. Onye ọbụla mee the worksheet. Our worksheet is mkpụrụ edemede. Complete that mkpụrụ edemede. Sound it. Right? Open your Umuoma book and recite the alphabets. That's the basis of the words. So that when you are sounding them, it will make sense to you. When you say Ada, you can see how it sounds. It's not A-D-A. It will be A-D-A. Right? If it's bello, you see how it sounds. Bello. B-E-L-U. Bello. So you have to follow the sounding of the Igbo alphabet, not English sounding, okay? Right. Who has questions? Who has questions? Okay, Bello, let's hear you.
Juju. So when we do our work, in which group do we submit it?
In your summer camp
my
group.
my mom wants to know.
Summer camp group.
Summer
in
camp
your
group.
summer
Is
camp.
that's the name?
Yes,
Not summer
summer
boot
camp.
camp.
Yeah. So in the community, we have summer camp group, 10 to 15, 5 to 9, and we have Ntakuko Club. This particular week, we are doing summer camp. And so every work will be going in there. So if you've not entered the summer camp group, even though you are within the community, enter there. That's where every communication about what we are doing is. Okay? And that's where you submit your assignments. So please do your assignments. Speaking of Igbo, you have to practice. Okay?
Okay.
Practice, recite the alphabets, get your worksheet, fill it, and try out some of these spelling words with your parents. And let's see tomorrow. Okay?
Okay. But are we doing another meeting tomorrow?
Yes, every day, the same time, 11 till 12 or 4 to 5, depending on your time zone. And every day till Friday. Then on Saturday morning, we are going to have the spelling bee competition. That's why if you've not got your registration number, please make sure you come in with your registration number. And if you get used to coming in with your registration number, you get used to your number so that each time you come in, I see none of you putting your registration number, putting your name. And because on that day, I won't use name. We're not using name. So that will be very objective. We'll be fair. We won't know your name. We'll just call UIA 001. And the person will now ask you, Super Ada. And UIA 001 will now say, Ada. And that has a mark. And at the end of the season, we'll have people that will now, come to the ground round and they have prize. Please, we have prizes for the.
Do we have to use do we have to use the words in sentences?
Oh no, you don't have to. If you don't need, just the spelling is fine.
Okay.
Yeah, it's easy peasy. Okay. Any other question?
Where
do
I find the worksheet?
The worksheet is in the group there, where you have the drive. Is in a drive. The link is there. Tell your parents, they will be able to see the link and open it. All the worksheets that we'll have for this period is there. with the spelling bee book, spelling bee word bank. They are there. Okay. Any other question? Any other question? Chimdioto, you have question? Okay. And we're all yours over ajụjụ. Ọ dị mma, kedu ihe anyị ga-agwa Coach Nonny?
I have a question.
Hello, Coach Nonny.
I have a question.
Okay, Dioto, you have a question. What's your question?
How many? Can I write this at home, like all the words at home?
Yes, that's where you should write it at home. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Okay, what do you say to Coach Nonny?
Daalụ.
Emessi.
Daalụ, Coach Nonny.
Emessi.